Creating a budget is much more than simply listing your expenses. And if you're failing at it, it's probably a big possibility that you're missing one of these key categories. And there are 6 categories that every budget needs. And I'm going to reveal them to you right now. Let's get it. As I mentioned before, we're going to go over 6 categories that every budget needs. And we're going to get the fun one out of the way first. And that is your spending fun budget. Because everyone wants to be able to have fun. You don't want to have work and no play. You want to make sure that you actually have fun and enjoy yourself. So you want to make sure that it's 10% of your total budget goes directly to spending and having fun. And with this, you want to make sure that you spend it each month. Then if 10% of your income is $100, then you want to make sure that you set that money aside each month and spend it on whatever you want to do. It's supposed to be for fun, just for fun. And the reason for this is because you want to make sure that you're not so focused on whether it's saving or investing or whatever it is, where you're not able to actually enjoy yourself. Because what ends up happening is you end up overindulging and you end up overspending in one area of your budget, and then you don't have enough money for your other side of your budget to do other things that you want to do. So the next thing that you're going to need is self-improvement, which is different from fun. Self-improvement means you want to spend this money, and it's 10% on things that are going to help you to grow and develop. And so whether it's an online course, whether it is to learn a new skill, or something that will help you be able to develop into a more fuller self, to be able to acquire more skills so you can increase your income. So that is going to be number 2. So the next part of your budget is you want to make sure that you have 10% set aside for saving. And that's right, saving. You want to make sure that you're always saving money. And you want to make sure that you save at least 10% of your money. And that way, when something comes up, you always have you have a nest egg. Now, the third category is going to be investing. Make sure you set aside 10% of your income to go to investing. And this can be investing in whatever it is that you choose. But you want to make sure that when you get your income in, you want to make sure that you budget it at least 10% of your income to investing. So the next item on the list is bills. The most common sense thing that you're going to need is you're going to have to pay your bills. And so these are your month-to-month bills, whether it's the internet, the lights, the rent, your mortgage payment. You want to make sure that it doesn't exceed over 50% of your total budget. So this category goes to your bills, your regular bills. And then the last part, because I just mentioned all those things, they all add up to 90%. The last category that you don't want to miss out on is giving. Whether you give to a church or whether you give to a special cause you believe in, there is power in being able to give to other people and give generously. Every month on your budget, then you'll make sure that you have plenty of room to save, invest, have fun, and grow. So, leave a comment. Did I miss something? If you're new to investing, check out this video right here. Will tell you why 98% of people who start off as investing fail. Swift out.